leadership of Labour Party has accused the Imo State coordinator of Obidati Presidential Campaign Organization, Fabian Ihekweme, of engaging in fraudulent activities. This is as the party also disassociated itself from the activities carried out by Ihekweme. This was contained in a statement issued by the National Publicity Secretary of the party, Araba B. Abayomi, in Abuja. Still on the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi has declared that he is well informed about all the challenges confronting Nigeria. The frontline candidate said this while addressing a group of Nigerians who came to welcome him to Frankfurt in Germany. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has cautioned candidates across all the political parties not to flout the provisions of the Electoral Act regarding campaigns. The Commission asks parties to strictly abide by the provisions of the Electoral Act to avoid sanctions as stipulated by the Act. Relying on Section 92 of the Electoral Act 2022, INEC National Commissioner and Chairman of its Committee on Information and Voter Education, Mr. Festus Okoye, explained that the law expected political campaigns to be civil and devoid of abuse. Former President of the Senate, Dr. Bukola Saraki, has recalled that the Ode to Gay campaign adopted by the ruling All Progressive Congress in Kwara State to oust the People's Democratic Party from government was full of lies and deceit. He said the strategy was adopted to deceive the people of the state just to win the election. The Abuja Federal High Court on Monday rejected an application filed by the federal government to extradite the suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police DCP Abba Kyari to the United States of America to face trial over his alleged involvement with a notorious internet fraudster Ramon Abbas, popularly known as Hush Puppy.